everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been so long since I have been on here, but I finally got my Bolzano for May. Yes, that's right, May. I had to contact them, what, 2 weeks ago to find out where my May bag was, and they told me they were delayed or some, I don't know, and that they were being sent out the week of Memorial Day. So I received this. Today's June 3rd. Hopefully I'll get this uploaded tomorrow. But anyway, let me get into this bag. Hope it was worth the wait is all I can say. It does come via USPS. Let's see if I can get in here. There we go. Just so you know, Bolzano is a monthly purse subscription. I have my notes right here. The one I purchased is the purse and accessories for $33.95, where you get one purse, 2 to 3 accessories with a $250 value. There is free shipping in the U.S. If you're in Canada, it's $30. And I also added on the purse companion for an additional $10, where you're to get 2 or 3 fragrances and or cosmetic items with the purse and accessory subscriptions. So the total is $43.95. Oh, sorry, I'm hungry. My stomach's growling. I will link their website down below. They do have a bunch of other subscriptions. Annual, bi-monthly, seasonal bag. It always comes, like I said, via USPS, and it always comes in a nice, this looks big, in a nice, what do you want to call this? It's kind of a really nice bag to put it in to protect your bags. A really good storage bags. So let's get into her. It always comes with this wrap on the top. Alright, what's this say? You deserve to be spoiled. Yes, I do. Special $150 offer, yours free. Special free men's watch. Receive a free men's watch valid at $150 when you prepay 3 months or more of your luxe or handbags and accessories subscription. How it works: you place the 3-month, here's the thing right here, 3-month or more subscription in your cart, and then you type in free men's watch in the search box, and then you add that to your cart. So there's that for you if you can see it. Hopefully it's not backwards. It looks backwards to me. But anyway. Ooh, look at that. That looks nice. Okay, it is a black bag. I told them I like black. I think that was the back. This is the front. It's got a nice little pocket right here. It's got silver, nice small pocket. You hear water running. That's my neighbor shower or something. I don't know. It's got 2 pockets. One pocket here. Got another zipper compartment. I've got the rest of... I've got another pocket here, and then there's a pocket right here, I guess, big enough for your cell phone or whatever you want to put in there. But this, again, is a very small handle. I guess I don't know. It's a little bit big to try and cart around with that little handle. So I'm hoping there's, yeah, here it is. Here's the bigger handle, and it does have silver on it. Just clip it on the thing, I guess. So I'm gonna put that down. So let's see. Let me get my other pieces out. This is my purse companion, I think. Yes. And this is Meet This Month's Bag, created especially for you. They always send a nice little paper in here. Oh, look, there's what it looks like. Congratulations on signing up to receive surprise and styling each month. We've chosen our Elba bag especially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather. Sorry. And has a retail value of $139. Elba, named for a brand... Oh, Elba, named for, is brand new for spring and summer and not yet available for purchase online. So I've got an exclusive bag. It's a member exclusive, just like I said. It comes in sand, mustard, and of course black. Spacious design allows you to quickly view its contents, multiple internal comments, shoulder strap, middle zipper compartment, magnetic closure. That's nice. Crossbody strap, great hands-free. Okay. This is the shoulder strap, right? I don't know. I'm not a big bag enthusiast, so I don't know, because this looks like the crossbody thing. So, oops, sorry. Let's see. What else does it say? That's it. But here's what it looks like on here with the little, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to set that off to the side. I'm going to put my little bag off to the side. So where is my accessories? Here we go. Okay, here we go. Ooh, I got a lot of stuff in here this time. Ooh, look at this wallet. This is pretty. I like this. I got a nice little wallet. I got a wallet last time, or maybe that was a makeup bag. I don't know. But this is really nice. Look at this bag. Well, wallet. It's not bag. It's got one of these little turn dial things, but I'm having a hard time getting it open. Come on, sister. Please don't break. Sorry about that. My camera stopped for some reason. I use my cell phone, so every time I get a phone call or my camera stops working. But I put this back on. Now I can't get it off. Ugh. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, this is hard to open. What big deal? But it is a wallet. Whoops. Here's where you put your checkbook. Not that anybody really uses that much anymore. Driver's license and credit cards. Has a pocket right here. Has a pocket right here. I guess you could do without using this as a checkbook. You could put your cash in here, I guess. It's pretty nice. It's nice and slim. I wish the design of this here would have been a little bit better, but maybe with use it'll start acting better. You deserve to be spoiled. It looks like a scarf or a wrap of some kind. I'm thinking. Come on. Why is everything so difficult? There we go. Difficult to open. So they gave me this thing. You deserve to be spoiled. Bolzano bags. So here's what this looks like. This is really pretty. It feels kind of... Let's see what it's made out of. Let me open it up. It is a small scarf, if you can see it. It's kind of bluish, black, navy blue. Let's see, what's it made out of? Where's the... This is not attached to it again. Oh, here we go. Well, it's cut off. Well, I don't know what it's made out of, but here's the design, if you can see it. It's really nice, really pretty. I have to figure out how to wear a scarf because I'm not very good at wearing scarves, but this is really pretty. I like this. That's really nice. And then I've got whatever this is. It's just a box. It says Bolzano. It looks like another leather accessory. Let's see, what is this? Ooh, look at that. That's really nice. It's another wallet? I don't know. It smells like leather. Bolzano embodies luxury and sophistication. Okay. I don't know. It's just red. I like this. This is really nice. Reminds me of the Red Room. And anyway. But that's what this looks like. It looks like another small wallet. Okay. But this one smells like leather. I really like that one. That one's really nice. So I got two wallets. I got a scarf. So that's my accessories, right? I said the accessories are 2 to 3 accessories. And this is my companion, purse companion. That's an additional $10. So let's see what they put in here. Here's what's in here. As you can see, L'Oreal right here. I like L'Oreal products. Let's see, how do I get in here? Alrighty then. It is L'Oreal Revitalift Anti-Wrinkle Firming Face and Neck Contour Cream Moisturizer. Oh, I need a cream for my neck. So that's probably what I'm going to use this for, because I've got a lot of face creams. Let's see, what is this? With age, the natural lifters that are present in the skin and responsible for its firmness and youthful appearance begin to break down. As a result, skin on the neck and jawline look and feel less firm and wrinkles are more visible. You can't see, but I've got some lines right here on my neck. Cool. That's really nice. Use AM and PM. Okay, so I've got me a cream for my neck. And then I also have Aurora by Swarovski. Ooh, I know Swarovski crystals. It's a l'eau de parfum. Let's see what this looks like. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. My French isn't all that great, but that's what's up here at the top. It says, crystal transforms into a luminescent perfume, a floral, fruity, incandescent fragrance for a vibrant aura that glows with the energy of light. Aw, how pretty. It's 5 milliliters. That's a lot. But look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Look, it's got a little crystal on the top. That is beautiful. So how does it work? Does this come off or what? Okay, I don't know. There's no instructions. Oh, and I don't want to break it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna have to look them up online to figure out how to work this, because I don't know. I can't smell anything, but I really like the packaging on this. This is really pretty. So I'm gonna have to look into Swarovski to figure out Aurora by Swarovski. Alright, sorry, getting distracted. That was beautiful. And then I have 2 lip glosses by Desi. What does this say? Lustrous lip gloss. One is a brown color, one is a more pinky color. Let's see, do I get shades? No, it just says moisture. Oh, here we go. Color 15 and color 11. It's by Shelly Cosmetics. Well, I'm going to open, I think, the pink one. Let me see what this... Oh, it's wrapped in plastic. That's good. I'm glad to know that it had a safety seal on it that I couldn't tell was on it. It has a typical doe foot. I'm going to put it right here. Oh, I like that. That's nice. Gives you just enough. I just hope it's not tacky. That's a really nice color. Would give you some nice, a little bit pinky to the lips. For some reason when I say that, I have pinky in the brain on the brain. You know, trying to take over the world. And let's see, we have also a brown color. It's the thing to peel it off. Now I see the plastic, now that I know it's there. And I can't get it off. Maybe I should just do the same thing. So that was color, the pink is color 15. This is color 11. Okay, I got it. Go. See, this looks like a nice dark brown, typical doe foot. I'm gonna put it right next to the pink. Yeah, it's a nudie, nice nude shade. Gives you just enough color. You could pair it with another color, use it with a lip liner, and then put this. Awesome. I really like that. That is pretty. That's beautiful. Wow. I guess it was worth waiting almost over a month. I got 2 wallets. Here, I'll pull the one out of here. I got 2 wallets. Whoops. So I got 2 wallets, my neck cream, my Swarovski Aurora perfume, and then 2 lip glosses from Desi, a brownie and a pink. And what else? Oh yes, the scarf. This is really pretty. I may send that to my mom. I'm not a big scarf person. And then this really nice black bag. I really like this bag. It's nice and deep. And it's got a lot of compartments inside. There's a zipper right here. There's a zipper inside. There's a pocket, and then there's 2 pockets in the back. So that's awesome. Plus the pocket out front. So, if you get this subscription, please let me know what you think down in the comments below. Did you have to wait all of May into June to get your bag as well? Anyway, I hope it comes sooner this month. We'll see. But anyway, I hope you all are having a great day. I hope you all had a great Memorial Day. And I can't believe it's June already. But anyway, I hope you all are having a great day. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, everybody.